Number 1, Sumatran rhino. According to worldwildlife.org, Sumatran rhinos are the smallest of the living rhinoceroses and the only Asian rhino with 2 horns. They are covered with long hair and are more closely related to the extinct woolly rhinos than any of the other rhino species alive today. Calves are born with a dense covering that turns reddish-brown in young adults and becomes sparse, bristly and almost black in older animals. Sumatran rhinos compete with the Javan rhino for the unenviable title of most threatened rhino species. While surviving in possibly greater numbers than the Javan rhino, Sumatran rhinos are more threatened due to habitat loss and fragmentation. The remaining animals survive in small, fragmented non-viable populations, and with limited possibilities to find each other to breed, its population decline continues. Just 2 captive females have reproduced in the last 15 years. Number 2, Amur leopard. Similar to other leopards, the Amur leopard can run at speeds of up to 37 miles per hour. This incredible animal has been reported to leap more than 19 feet horizontally and up to 10 feet vertically. The Amur leopard is solitary. Nimble-footed and strong, it carries and hides unfinished kills so that they are not taken by other predators. The Amur leopard is poached largely for its beautiful, spotted fur. In 1999, an undercover investigation team recovered a female and a male Amur leopard skin, which were being sold for $500 and $1,000 respectively in the village of Barabash. Agriculture and villages surround the forests where the leopards live. As a result, the forests are relatively accessible, making poaching a problem, not only for the leopards themselves, but also for important prey species, such as roe deer, sika deer and hare. Number 3, gorilla. Gorillas are gentle giants and display many human-like behaviors and emotions, such as laughter and sadness. In fact, gorillas share 98.3% of their genetic code with humans, making them our closest cousins after chimpanzees and bonobos. Gorillas live in family groups of usually 5 to 10, but sometimes 2 to more than 50, led by a dominant adult male, or silverback, who holds his position for years. Like humans, gorillas reproduce slowly, giving birth to only one baby at a time and then raising that infant for several years before giving birth again. This slow reproduction rate makes gorillas especially vulnerable to any population declines. Habitat destruction is a problem across their Central African range. Gorillas are also killed for the bushmeat trade, or accidentally killed or maimed by iron snares that are set in the forests in search for other bushmeat species such as pigs, Red River hog. That trade has helped spread the Ebola virus, which is deadly to both gorillas and humans. Efforts to protect gorillas are often hampered by weak law enforcement, lack of rule of law, and civil unrest in many places where gorillas live. Number 4, snow leopard. Snow leopards have evolved to live in some of the harshest conditions on Earth. Their thick white-gray coat spotted with large black rosettes blends in perfectly with Asia's steep and rocky, high mountains. Because of their incredible natural camouflage, rendering them almost invisible in their surroundings, snow leopards are often referred to as the ghost of the mountains. For millennia, this magnificent cat was the king of the mountains. The mountains were rich with their prey such as blue sheep, Argali wild sheep, ibex, marmots, pikas and hares. The snow leopard's habitat range extends across the mountainous regions of 12 countries across Asia, Afghanistan, Bhutan, China, India, Kazakhstan, Kyrgyz Republic, Mongolia, Nepal, Pakistan, Russia. The total range covers an area of close to 772,204 square miles, with 60% of the habitat found in China. Hunting, habitat loss, declines in natural prey species, and retaliatory killings resulting from human-wildlife conflict are the main reasons this big cat is under threat. The other major impact on snow leopard survival is the climate crisis. Rising global temperatures can severely impact alpine habitat productivity, which in turn can impact prey and freshwater availability in the harsh mountainous environment. The climate crisis poses perhaps the greatest long-term threat to snow leopards. Impacts from a warming planet could result in a loss of up to 30% of the snow leopard habitat in the Himalayas alone.
Thanks for watching.